Welcome to Meditative Mandala Painting. What are you going to need for this course? So if you're not an artist already, you might need to spend about $20 to $30 on some supplies, but you might have some supplies on you already. You will definitely need either some paper or a canvas. Up to you, any size at all. I really like to work big, but if you're moving around and want to have some different sizes, this is also suggested. If you don't have canvas, you can also use a good quality paper, like this one from Renaissance. And it also comes in different sizes. You can get yourself a little tiny set of acrylic paints, or you can go for getting some acrylic paints in bottles, or they also come in tubes. Any kind is okay because we are constantly going over the painting. But acrylics is actually very, very necessary in this style of painting. Don't use watercolors or oils because you want the color to dry quickly so that when a mistake is made, then you can actually go over it. And remember, there's no mistakes in this course. You also need a little bit of something to put the paint on. So any size or style of palette you can use. You need something to put water in. This is obviously a cut-up bottle that I've got water in. You need a rag, very, very important, or a paper towel or something like that because you want to control the amount of paint you're using. And you also probably need like 2 to 5 different sizes of brushes so you can like flick paint, you can detail, and you can go really, really big if you want to. So get all these things first and then start.